Got a plumbing problem? Don't let it turn into a disaster. At High Point Plumbing and Heating, we're here to help you with fast professional service that you can count on. When plumbing issues strike, you need a reliable expert who can fix it fast. We understand that plumbing problems can be stressful. That's why we always explain what's going on and make sure you're comfortable with the solution. With over 20 years of experience, we're Calgary's trusted choice for all your plumbing needs. So whether it's an emergency or just routine maintenance, call High Point. We'll get the job done right the first time. To book your appointment, call our office in the Kootenays at 250-426-5352 and our Calgary location at 403-460-5846. Like, share, and follow us to stay in the loop